Today we celebrate Veterans Day. That all started years ago on the 11th hour of the 11th day of the 11th month. Today is the 100th anniversary of that day, which in effect ended what they called the war to end all wars, World War I. Unfortunately, that did not happen. Of course, we still had World War II, Korea, Vietnam, etc., etc., etc. So we set this side aside. I would like to invite Greeley City Mayor John Gates to read the proclamation.
Whereas in 1919, November 11th was proclaimed Armistice Day to remind Americans of the tragedies of war, and in 1954, Congress changed the name of the legal holiday to Veterans Day to honor all United States veterans. And whereas Veterans Day is a time for all Americans to honor and express their gratitude to the men and women who served in our nation's armed forces and made major contributions and risked their lives to preserve the freedoms we enjoy as American citizens. Whereas the gallant Americans serving the nation today continue in the finest tradition of American willingness to serve their country. And whereas the nation is truly grateful for their services, of our veterans vindicating the principles of peace and justice in the world, and whereas the city of Greeley is pleased to have a beautiful Vietnam memorial displayed in the Bittersweet Park to honor those who have proudly served our country. Now therefore, I, John Gates, by the virtue of the authority vested in me as mayor of the city of Greeley, do hereby proclaim November 11th, 2019 as Veterans Day in Greeley, and urge all citizens to observe the day with appropriate ceremonies in honor of those who have borne the burden in defense of freedom and proudly display the flag of the United States of America as a tribute to our veterans. In witness whereof, I have hereunto set my hand and caused to be affixed the official seal of the city of Greeley this 11th day of November, 2019.